Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior. The center console that is in black gloss, aluminum trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Heated seats, memory seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Our media display. Rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 48,764 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.